to put onto it, but I think we got everything rolling like we need to. Just got to change up some stuff on the website, change up the Gantt chart a little bit.
Well, we have to order the stuff.
Oh yeah, so that stuff got ordered. That whole vendor thing, I don't know what that was really about, but she said that was required. But Venkat just said, I'm just gonna do it anyways. So he said he placed the order.
Oh, okay. Well, we got to add one more thing to it because this weekend, Venkat like reached out to me on Friday or something and then I sent the email to everybody so you guys could read up on it.
Yeah.
So we're going to put like wooden dowels. We just need one wooden dowel so we can glue it into the top so he can have his handles.
Okay.
You were stuck on that handle, huh?
Yeah. But I guess you just reach out to him and tell him to add it. We're 1/8 inch wooden dowel.
1/8 inch wooden dowel. Okay.
Probably head to Home Depot, save on shipping.
Yeah, 100%. Well, at that point, I was like, I might just go buy one. They're like 36 cents, but
I'd feel like
I guess it gives us something to do and put on our Gantt chart.
That's true, and we wouldn't be able to go send it to him either way.
Yeah, but yeah, so he went back. He was a hot mess this weekend. He would like email me to do something, I'd do it, and then he'd be like, well, actually, I kind of want this. I was just like,
yeah, kudos to you. I just read that thread and
yeah.
Like, oh my God, man. But hopefully the pictures came up. But so what the pictures I sent in the chat, those are I didn't, you guys didn't get that email, but I forwarded those to him and asked him if those are like the final things he wants so we can send them off and get printed.
Okay. Yeah, I could have done a lot more better posting of that stuff, but like I said, it was kind of last minute. I just threw it all together kind of.
No, it's not a big deal. It seemed like this week was a gimme anyway.
Yeah.
It gives us something to talk about next week.
How many dowels do we need?
I'd say just, I guess, order 2. We really only need like 1, but I'd say
I guess like what do they come in packs or is it just like individual?
Well,
probably come in packs if you're
so like I use them to like if you ever have a stripped hole or whatever, like a wood screw and like your door jamb or whatever, you can take wood glue, hammer a wooden dowel in and then cut it off, and then it's not stripped anymore, but you can just buy one at a time. You can buy them individually, I guess is what I should say.
Okay.
You went over the process of what you did to remake.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't say it. I was trying to figure out like why I know that.
Yes, that is the answer.
You can buy as many or as little as you want.
All right. So other than ordering stuff, Brandon, you said you got everything all ordered, all that stuff good to go?
Venkat said he's gonna order within this week, so I'm gonna email him right now to see if I can fit that in before he actually sends it out.
Yeah, that would be awesome. And try to like stay up with him because Venkat can kind of be a little bad about that, about as far as like the back and forth about the ordering stuff, just to keep up, hey, just checking in, making sure everything was, everything went well, you got everything ordered, stuff like that. Tiffany, how you doing over there?
I'm doing well, I think.
That's good to hear. You seem a little quiet. Okay.
Oh, Kylie, what was Venkat talking about with fitting 2 magnets?
Oh yeah, actually we need to rerun the software. So he literally just, I don't know if you can look at the picture. Let me just, I still have it open. Let me just share screen.
Because I read that and I was like, oh, something for me to do.
Yeah, I actually was gonna reach out to you, but I didn't want to do it or make you do something until he like decided. Okay, so can you see my screen?
Yep.
So you see how the bottom one down here has the room for 8 single magnets to be glued in? So he literally just wants us to glue 2 magnets together in there.
Oh, okay.
So he just wanted me to make it bigger. It's so confusing because this whole time I thought he wanted it small so it could fit on the microscope, but he doesn't care how small it is. It can be as big as it wants. He just wants the magnets as close to the cells.
Yeah.
Which is fine. Like I'm not about to talk to him about changing it again because it's been a hot mess. But yeah, I'm like, dude, we could have just ordered bigger magnets.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Like we could just order like huge magnets if you don't care about how wide it is on the microscope. But I'm not bringing that up. I don't care. He wants the back to the. He wants this piece to be universal. So he wants to be able to just use this and change whatever magnets he wants later on top. So I think he's just going to print his own, or if this works or doesn't work, he's just going to make these himself at ODU.
The holders themselves.
Yeah, so he
Yeah.
just wants to see if the bottom works. Yeah, which
And
is
the bottom, what is the bottom tray? Is that the 16 or 8?
what this.
The tray that sits on that. Which one sits on top of that?
So he wants to just use two 18s now because he decided that he's going to use the high vacuum grease and it's going to like hold the cover slip in the cells underneath. I didn't see it like that either until he was like, no, that's what I want to do. And I was just like, okay. So the bottom cover slip he'll literally take it, he'll put the cell in the middle of it, take high vacuum grease on the outside and then stick it up through the bottom. And it'll sit on this ledge with the high vacuum grease. And he says it'll stay there. I didn't question it because I was just thinking, well, okay, if that you would know more than me. And then the other one's just gonna sit on that. It's not gonna
Yeah.
So he'll take this one on and off. He'll stick the other one underneath it. He'll take the nutritive substance, dump it inside this little thing, put the other one on top, put the magnets around it, and then look at it under the microscope.
Okay, looks good.
But yeah, so we can just do a FEM software with the magnets, with 2 1/4-inch magnets.
So do we want to still stick with the 1/4-inch by 1/4-inch?
Yeah, we should just do that because he seems okay with it.
Okay. With the bigger. Okay, never mind. All right.
So I just asked Brandon to mention it to Venkat because I mean I know it doesn't really make a difference if you use 2 small ones or 1 large one, but he might have an opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He just acted like I'm just gonna glue. He even drew me a picture. He's like, nah, because I'm just gonna glue them together and glue them in there. And I was just like, okay.
Well, if he has the 1/2 inch instead of the 1/4 inch, then he will only be able to use one of them versus both of them.
Yeah.
I think that's probably what
I don't know what his plan is. He doesn't even need this holder. He could literally just set the magnets
on the
on the around down, you know what I mean? Like
yeah.
on here, but I'm not. I think he wants to see if this works. And then later on or next year or next semester, he might see about redesigning these or whatever.
Yeah, if you just made slots or slits all the way across that, you could just have magnets on them themselves.
Yeah, I mentioned that to him and he didn't really. He
Does
wanted.
the holder, does it raise it up higher? Is that the purpose? To get on the cells? To get more on the plane of the cell?
No, so he actually was more worried about a big issue we had was he was more worried about the working distance.
Yeah.
So this where I didn't draw it in there, but there would be a glass cover slip here. He was more worried about this distance to the microscope. So we lowered that and it's not in the mid plane of the magnets anymore. So
yeah, that was that
4.5. And he said it was okay. He was like, I'm okay with that. Like, that's what I want. This is more important.
All right.
Well, you would know. I've never tried to look at cells under a microscope, so.
This is true. All right. Well, if he says it's good to go, then I'm good to go.
I'm just happy he's helping us.
Oh God, yeah.
At this point, I don't know if he thought we weren't doing much last semester or what, but I mean, we were trying.
I think he was a little busy last semester. I don't know. He seemed like I don't know. He seemed like he was pretty busy, to be honest.
Yeah, he probably was. I mean, I think COVID's just really all the research people are doing, and they're all trying to get tenure. If they don't have tenure, or get money and grants, so it probably just sucks trying to get people to graduate, and yeah, it's probably just stressful.
Did you just get an email from Robert Ash about homework, and then an email a second later about Robert Ash about the wrong class?
Yeah, what a hot mess.
He is out there. I'm telling you.
like 20 minutes ago, I asked him to forward me the emails he had sent. So I don't know if that has to do with it.
Oh, I don't know.
'Cause I wasn't on the thread.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, what he just sent me an email and said, "Don't even worry about it. Disregard that." And I'm like, all right.
But yeah, so we have to come up with, I guess, some PowerPoints for next class to present next Tuesday.
Not next class, right? The class after that, right?
No, I think it's next.
For what assignment?
Well, next Tuesday is just our weekly post, right?
Yeah,
to do-
you said to have some PowerPoint slides ready on the website.
I thought that was for the PowerPoint slide one.
Is that for the status report?
I think that's the one that one is.
I mean,
There's
we can just, if he approves these drawings, I can just take more pictures of them and we can just put those on a PowerPoint.
Yeah.
I can, and then, sorry, excuse me, and then I mean, I'll probably email or set up a meeting with the 3D lab.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the status report is the one after the weekly report. And that one is the PowerPoint, kind of like give a presentation about. The weekly one is just we have to post on the website what we did for the past week or the past couple weeks. You know, we don't really have to go over that one at all. He just wants to know that we posted on the website.
I don't have any idea. I thought he said have PowerPoint slides ready for next week, so that's the only reason I said that.
I think we'll be all right.
If he reposts the video, if he posts the video, I'll watch the end of it where he said it.
Alicia, I it took me a minute to find out what the heck was even going on that that web SCP.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. I'm gonna tell you, I've never done anything like that. So I had no idea what I was doing, but I found one of the websites or one of the main links you didn't give access to. Took me a while, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm never going back to that thing again. This one was so easy to set up and make and even look better. It was so easy.
Will you be able to put our Zoom meetings on it?
Yeah, we can put everything up here. I got right now I just put the abstract and I literally put exactly the abstract from our report.
Works good. Looks good.
Yeah.
I did the same thing.
Our group status reports, that'll be one. Weekly meetings, I got up there. Design drawings, the thing you just sent over, and Gantt chart.
Cool.
But
Yeah.
I mean, we can move I can move all this stuff around, put it in individual links and, they'll carry up from there kind of thing. But I just, like I said, just kind of threw it together last minute.
Yeah. So we had something.
But we can put the weekly meetings up there and we'll go from there. And like I said, I'll go ahead and do this week's. So I'll have that done before our next class by far.
Okay.
But I have a bunch of lambs and sheep outside. I got to go out there and feed. It's lambing season.
Oh my goodness.
Aw.
Do you shear them?
Yeah, sadly, it's an annoying process. Well, we have some cantata lambs. They're basically like all white, and they lose their hair in the summer, which is super awesome.
Do you sell the fleece?
No, because the lambs that we have, they just don't. It's just not worth it. It's really cheap.
So are they meat sheep?
Are they what?
Are they for meat?
Yes, yeah, cantatas.
All right.
Yeah, we I had one in the bathroom. It spent the night in the bathroom last night. It's a triplet. Didn't have enough. Two of them are fine, but the third one wasn't gonna make it. So I kept her in the bathroom.
Bottle fed?
Yep, about to go feed her again.
All right. I'll put the Zoom meeting in the Google Drive so we can upload it as soon as it.
Awesome. And Brandon changed the website name in the domain. He sent it to me. I'll go ahead and forward it out to everybody else. It's exactly what it should be.
It didn't change the website name. It just copy and pasted what your website was and put it as that domain name. So if you update it on the whatever site it was called, it's not gonna update on the HTML. I gotta copy and paste the HTML file into that.
Okay. All right. Well, you just let me know when that's done.
What?
Didn't you say you had to change something?
No. If you make changes, you have to send it. You you have to let me know so I can copy paste the HTML file and change it because it's not going to update by itself.
Have you already made changes to this?
To the website?
Yeah.
No.
Okay. I thought heard you say you made changes.
No, if you make changes, you got to tell him so he can update it.
Gotcha. All right.
He can probably cut out or something.
All right, that's cool. I got to get out of here.
All right,
Alrighty.
guys, good job.
All right, I'll see you guys guess next week, hopefully, if everything goes good.
Tuesday. Let us
Yep.
know if you need any help, Tim.
Awesome. All right, guys.
Bye.
All right, bye.